Hello my dear students, how are you all? Hope you are doing fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIVS Home School. This is Ariful Islam, Assistant Teacher of English, National Idol English Version School, Morning Shift. Today I am going to take Bangladesh and Global Studies class for class 6 students. Our today's topic, chapter 2, lesson 1, 2, 3 discussions. So my dear students, open your book and go to chapter 2. Let's start the class. Chapter 2, Bangladesh and Rural Civilization. Indus Civilization. If we want to know the ancient civilization of Bangladesh, we must know about the ancient civilization of the Indian subcontinent. So what is Indus Civilization? Indus Civilization is called the first urban civilization in the Indian subcontinent. Egyptian or Mesopotamian civilization. Indus civilization is a contemporary of Egyptian or Mesopotamian civilization. Next one, second urban civilization. Second urban civilization started in 7th century BC, and second urban civilization is a contemporary of Greek and Roman civilization. Let's go to lesson 1, urban civilization in the Indian subcontinent. First one, Indus civilization, earliest civilization. The earliest civilization in the Indian subcontinent is Indus civilization, developed in 2700 BC. Indus civilization developed in 2700 BC on the bank of the rivers named the Sindh, the Saraswati, the Hakra, etc. Harappa and Mohenjo-daro. Harappa and Mohenjo-daro are the two major towns of this civilization, are known as Harappa and Mohenjo-daro. Advanced town planning. An advanced town planning is found in the cities of Indus civilization. City roads, dustbins, road light and drainage system all were well planned. Single-storied and double-storied houses were well designed. In every house there were wells of water. Domestic wastewater fell into layers drained through small drains. Next we will go to Layers granary. Layers granary has been found in Harappa. On the other hand, in the city of Mohenjo-daro, Layers bathing space has been found. Next one, second urban civilization. Second urban civilization developed in 700 BC in the Ganges basin. The relics of the second urban civilization have been discovered so far in 41 archaeological sites in the name of Pataliputra, Chandraketugor, Champa, Bidisha, Amravati, etc. Last one, Wari Boteshwar and Pundranagar, Mohestangarh. Wari Boteshwar and Pundranagar, Mohestangarh of Bangladesh bear the sign of the second urban civilization. We will move to next page. Come to the next page, lesson 2, Wari Boteshwar. Two villages of Bilabu Upazila. Wari Boteshwar is the present name of two villages of Bilabu Upazila under Narsingdi district. Wari Boteshwar is situated on the banks of the ancient Brahmaputra river in the Narsingdi district. Developed in 2500 years ago. The civilization developed 2500 years ago. Over the passage of time, this civilization becomes extinct and specimens are destroyed and buried under the ground. During the current times, the ground soil of Wari Boteshwar is disturbed due to due to cultivation and digging for various purposes. At this stage, some relics came up to the ground surface. A primary school teacher named Muhammad Hanif started writing about Wari Boteshwar since 1930. Archaeological digging started in Wari Boteshwar in 2000 AD. Next one, archaeological dig is still being conducted at Wari Boteshwar. Various types of coins, stones, beads and bricks have been found from the ruins. Next we will move to the indicator of commerce of Wari Boteshwar are printed silver coins and lovely looking measuring weights. Last one, the earliest art of painting. The earliest art of painting of Bangladesh has been discovered at Wari Boteshwar. This art of painting has been manifested in earthenware, stone and glass made beads found here. Last lesson today, Moistangar, or we can say Pundranagar. 2400 years ago. Moistangar was developed 2400 years ago. The distance between Moistangar and Bogura town is 18 kilometers. River Kortoa. Moistangar was situated on the bank of the river Kortoa. Fakir Mojnu Shah. Who was Fakir Mojnu Shah? A patriot who fought against the British from the Moistangar jungle. He was Fakir Mojnu Shah. Next one, we will move to in 1879, Alexander Cunningham. Who was Alexander Cunningham? What did he do? Alexander Cunningham surveyed Moistangar in 1879 and anticipated that the ruins of the famous Pundranagar lay hidden under the soil here. The archaeological digging started. Cities, roads, houses, ornaments, coins, artistic work of brown clay scripts began to be discovered. Next one, Maurya ruler Emperor Ashoka. Who was he? Maurya ruler Emperor Ashoka anticipated that humanitarian Maurya ruler Ashoka spread his kingdom up to Pundranagar. I am saying again, it is anticipated that humanitarian Maurya ruler Ashoka spread his kingdom up to Pundranagar. Communication with many cities and towns. Pundranagar had communication with many cities and towns of the Indian subcontinent for commercial purposes. As a result, there were many cultural and transactions. Last one, Huan Sang. In the 7th century, the Chinese tourist and priest Huan Sang saw 20 Buddhist vihara and 100 Brahmin temples in Pundranagar region. So my dear students, this is SW 1, lecture 1, submit on Sunday, chapter 1, lesson 1 to 3, make 10 knowledge based questions. This SW is very important for you because we will give diary mark, city mark and SB mark on the basis of the SW. So my dear students, I hope you have understood today's topic. Keep practicing at home. About your parents, stay home, stay well. See you again. Till then, Allah Hafiz.